sealing surface here. Gotta scrape the rest of that off, and we got an extra set of stock heads. Don't have springs for them. I think the springs out of my heads would be too hard to get off there, but to get off the valves, the seal or the valve guides. But we'll at least be running hopefully by the end of the night. But yeah, that's fun.
I think that's better than taking off too much.
Oh my gosh!
There's a door that separates it from the upper level. Kitchenette is stocked with essentials, including coffees and teas, even s'mores fixings to enjoy an evening treat on the patio with the outdoor fireplace.
Yeah,
We gotta get there first.
Are you looking at pictures of this, or are you just reading?
Large living room, great space on
living
garden level of large family home.
Large living room.
Large
which includes
living
your
room
bedroom.
with kitchenette, private bathroom,
And bed.
library, laundry, luxury lighted patio, including hot tub and fire pit. Neighborhood is quiet until we get there. Has a beautiful river walk, shopping centers, plenty of museums.
Pictures. Does it have pictures?
Oh yeah, and they look awesome, dude. That's what's just sold me on. Look at that. It's a huge amount of room.
Oh, shit.
It's got the rally wheels on. Not sure where we left off, but heads off, obviously. Got the block cleaned up pretty good. There was some aluminum transfer here, but it's so I was a little worried because it looked like the block was damaged, but it was just the aluminum. It is damaged here, but it's that's fine. This is what matters, and this is still going to seal oil and water and everything. The heads I got are pretty crusty, but they should work. The only thing that has me concerned, it's a high spot here that's it's in the combustion chamber. I just hope the sealing surface isn't too low. I could probably hit some detonation and pick up some aluminum from the piston maybe. I don't know, it's kind of strange. But we're gonna put it on, try to get out of here, drive it to Pueblo. All right, front, putting it on correctly this time. Although that's not what hurt anything. This is Blaine's ride. He brought us a head and some tools, and now some more tools. This thing's running low nines. He's got power steering, AC, big S400 base turbo. Pretty cool ride. Lives about an hour away from here, so he had to get some other stuff anyway. So engineering student, and they do some cool shit in tuning at school, and he put this thing together. So he really kind of saved us from allowing us to run some boost. The heads we got were rough, so he brought us this head, valve spring compressor tool, so we swapped the springs, and now Adam is apparently getting dirty. Well, we are still in great bed. Head is on, started it up, crazy knocking sound. We thought maybe bent rod, kicked a bearing, maybe steering shaft was hitting a manifold, all kinds of stuff. Turns out it was convertibles. So they had loosened up. Apparently not quite long enough, and I was told not to use any Loctite on them from the converter company, but my buddies that have the same converter said, yeah, that was a bad idea. So they run some Loctite on it. So Adam ran to the parts store while I finished taking the converter bolts out, put the strut tire brace back on. We're gonna change tires now, pack the chute because I never even packed it from last night, and then we are getting there. I probably sound wore out because I am. We ended up, and Adam should be too, he was a huge help. We ended up not running these heads that we got last night because found some that had raised spot. Oh, right there, I don't know. Raised spot and probably a low spot too. So didn't want to risk it. Somebody brought another set of heads for us and a valve spring compressor. So we were able to swap my springs out. So I can actually run some boost if I desire, which I desire. We did get this heater core on, temporarily mounted with some all-important safety wire. There was nothing really to mount off of that that I could figure out. And my wife had overnighted me, yes, the editor-in-chief, this fitting here so I could get 5/8 line nipple barb off of the pressure side. So that's the side that comes out of the engine, and it's going to go also, it's going to go to the radiator here, and then it's also going to loop to the heater core, back out, and then this side was the suction side already, and it goes down to the pump right there. So we'll see. I mean, holds a little more water, and that will kind of hit the side mount intercooler opening. I think once we get the converter bolts done, we'll be on our way. Oh, you got it already. Changing tires, in theory, good. Converter bolts on, somewhat boogered. Thanks again to Adam, if he ever watches this. He's the true hero, helping out the whole time. Mike has been a good help too, but she's back together. And that hits there. We are off to Pueblo as soon as we load all that mess up. Holy cow, we are finally moving. After we put everything back together, still had to have an issue. The priming pump, the second one, went out. Osho 44, supposedly reliable. So I ended up putting the wiring back to the first one because after I cooled down it unseized. So, I mean, it will start without a priming pump. It's just to run down the battery, and once the fuel gets hot, it's going to be definitely a problem. So, but we're moving. It's almost 9. We have 350 miles to drive. Adam's a trooper. He was there helping all day. Mike was helping. Feels good to be driving. Car feels good. So we're gonna make it to Pueblo tonight and maybe do some wastegate passes tomorrow. We started smelling some coolant and then saw some steam. The coupler we used must not be rated for the pressure and heat. It blew up and is toast. So we just lost our water. Adam's gonna turn around and figure it out. hopefully an easy fix. It's unfortunately late, so getting a radiator hose is going to be a challenge. Oh well.